Kunyari, gumawa po kayo ng 1 kilong saging. Para malinaw na lang. 1 kilong saging. So, ang bababaran ninyo para sa 1 kilong saging ay 1 kilong asukal at saka 1 litrong tubig.
Ma'am, you mean to say yung banana na napil na, yung 1 kilo?
Oo. Yung banana na napil na, so kailangan tintalin niyo siya.
We congratulate once more all the resource persons that we have here. Continue to help us, continue to produce and multiply more business-minded people in our community to learn more of these subject matters that you are offering to them, to us, to Baguio City. Ano na kita ipagbaga ni Mrs. Vergara nga maaramid dito'y almost 100 subject matters sa nasa 100. Willing itong amin dito'y. Mga-adal tayo, di ano nga negosyo tayo. We will do that and hopefully, let's pray to God. Everybody will always be healthy and will look forward to our success, to our victory of all our endeavors. Salamat po, Diyos Yakina.
This is a 5-day seminar with 5 different topics, and this seminar is funded by Congressman Vergara in cooperation with the National Development Livelihood Corporation and the Kapuso Kapamilya Foundation Incorporated. People needs now livelihood to be able to add to their income. Most of the participants are women, and instead of staying at home alone, they could have their own household income generating projects, and they could use their skills that they have learned for the 5-day seminar to be able to add more income for the family.
I am Lourdes Nane Punsalan. I am a resource person. I conduct training on various courses like soap, perfume, cosmetic and personal care products, and other chemical courses. I've been a resource person. I've been a trainer for almost 20 years. I traveled from Luzon to Mindanao to transfer technologies for all the communities. I cannot compare my satisfaction, especially if I see my participants na nag-enjoy, pag nakikita ko silang masaya, at most especially natututo, because that is my primary aim, is to transfer technology at the same time my participants to learn and to enjoy while learning. Isa lang lagi kong sinasabi sa mga participants ko, they have to believe in themselves. Kasi if you believe in yourself, 100% yon, magsasucceed ka.